get next to me. One of you next to me, Audrey. Get on. Alright.
Hey guys! We are making a new series. Don't press the button.
And let's go. So it's gonna be on my playlist. Do not press the button.
I died.
Oh. So we're gonna make the parts based on. We're gonna make the parts. Dude. We're gonna make the parts based on the what kind of press the button is. So this is part 1 because right now we're playing Don't Press the Button 1. And in part 4 we'll be playing Don't Press the Button 4.
I love
I think it will be going up until Don't Press the Button 7, I think. Or 10.
Maybe 8.
Or 10.
But if it goes up to 100, I swear.
No, there's not. Guys, I'm trying to get this YouTube channel up to.
Jordan, you got 0 times. Me too.
Yeah.
I got 2.
Oh, okay. We're trying to get this YouTube channel up to 50 subscribers. Let's do it.
Oh shoot, run away from Baldy.
Oh, it's Baldy. I thought that was like a. Oh, he died.
Kitty died.
Oh yeah. Let's press this button again. Like and subscribe. If you can't, it's alright. If you can't, just leave a like. But if you also can't, then it's fine.
I'm frozen.
I think it's like a maze thing. I
I have no idea what it is. Everything's falling.
What? I need to get the diamond.
No, Jordan. Jordan, don't. I need the diamond. Jordan, what are you doing? Can I talk to you?
Yeah, sure. Play, dude. What? What the heck? Audrey, please. This is the first time I heard.
No. Jordan, don't. Jordan, it was a joke.
Oh, it's a fake one?
Yes.
Dude, I can't believe
Stay
you.
near this, Jordan. Stay near.
No.
What does that mean? What does it just
What
press
is
the
it?
button as much as time. I have no idea how much time it just press the button.
Dude, come on, press the button. Whoa. Yeah? Okay. Sorry about that.
I made you laugh.
I didn't laugh.
This is me. Like me.
Yeah, you too though. Huh?
I just do. Like,
Oh, I pressed the button. I thought it was still
No,
going.
I hate this one.
Oh, hell nah.
Oh heck.
Yeah, I have a racing How do I get this sauce? Dude, how do I get this I'm just dying scared. How do I get this off?
Die.
Oh. How did I do that?
Come on. We have to go before we die.
Save the cave?
Oh, look.
I didn't go in the cave.
I died.
I didn't get to the cave. That's weird. Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. Money, 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 green, green, money's all I need. Money, money,
Can you hear that?
money's all I need.
What are you singing? Money, money, blah.
Oh, it's drums! Drums! I need the drums. I'm sorry, I need the drums.
Oh.
Look, I was doing this.
Someone get the fire extinguisher.
Where is the fire extinguisher?
Oh, someone else got it. Okay. Well, we just gotta wait here till they.
Look, the reason why I was doing the money, green, green, is like, money, green, green, money's all I need me. Money, green, green, money's all I need me.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's
Run now.
Is it
Run
again?
now. Run now.
Is it the same one you did?
Yes. Now just run. I hate this part.
Hey,
Now the
guys.
balls.
Shoot.
I'm coming.
Yeah, I got it. I got there. Dude, that was the best.
Don't go near it.
Bam, bam,
You
bam,
won!
bam, bam, bam.
Bro, my iPad's barely making my time for
Okay, 10 plus 20 is 20.
What can I get?
Is it just one question?
Yeah.
How much coins do I have?
Run from them. Oh, run from the zombies. Are you a zombie?
Oh, I guess I am a zombie. Man,
Oh, yeah, you are.
Hey, I have a spoiler thing though. So.
7 survivors. Jordan's there.
Dude, why can't I get this guy, bro?
I almost died to turn into one. I'm trying. Dead end. No. Okay. I died. Okay, well, I'm a zombie now. Don't get me, okay?
Oh, the reason.
Don't get
No,
me.
I'm sorry.
I died again. This jump button does not work.
Ha! I won. It's because of me. I got almost everybody.
Yay, that means I win because I turned
Shoot.
guys. Good guys.
Dude, how do you even beat this?
I beat it over here, Jordan.
Oh, well, I didn't. Dude, that was easy, though.
Yeah, that was easy because I'm almost crazy.
Dude, what even is that? Oh, shoot. Wait. Are you red team, Audrey?
Yeah.
Are we playing dodgeball?
Yeah.
Oh, Audrey, I think I hit you. I hit you, though. Oh, it's probably because, like, if you were holding one, it might save you. Oh, it's a 2 versus 1. Oh, it's a 3 versus 1. Yeah, it's a 3 versus 1. Oh, yeah! Boom, shakalaka. My mommy is a daka. Oh, yeah, I think I did. Who cares, though?
I'm fat. And I'm thin.
Yay! And I'm regular!
Why not I go through this? How much is it?
Oh, we have to get
I'm not a fatty anymore. Yay! Look,
3,
my thin
2,
self.
1.
Then get
What
in
team
the
am I
hole.
on? I'm on blue.
Get in the hole, Jordan.
I can't go yet. Now it's my turn.
You're all alone. Stop. You're taking
Skylar.
my ball. Stop. I'm on my ball.
All right, Skylar.
Stop.
Skylar, stop.
It's not a ball.
Skylar, stop.
It's not her ball. It's a yoga ball. Get it. Can you stop? Are you?
Skylar, stop.
Skylar, stop. You're making me get none.
I'm getting none either, Audrey. Don't worry. Wait, what team are you on, Audrey?
Red. I'm blue.
Oh, I'm on blue. I don't even know how you do this, though. Yeah, I think you guys aren't even sisters anymore because you fight all the time. Literally.
Yay!
Okay, but you brag to me all the time. Damn. Aw, man. Red team won.
Sorry.
Oh, see the snowball? I'm really scared. Hey, Skylar, though. Hey, I have one of those coil things, so you can't really get me because I'm too fast.
How is this not working? I already hit some people.
Oh, it's because I think you have to get pushed off the map, maybe?
I have to push people. Push them off the map. Crazy.
I don't know. My server's glitching. Yeah! Let's go. It's because I had this coil thing. I won because of the coil. Oh, what?
I'm just gonna die because I hate my fat body. I hate it. I'm not.
I love my body.
If you have a regular. No!
Yes, sir. No. Dude, I'm the first one, dude. Alright, I'm gonna die again.
Oh yeah, Skylar.
Are we the only ones in the server?
Oh yeah, Skylar. I know what the movie that we were about to watch before this. It's called K-pop.
It's like an animated movie. I'm not. I would never do that, Audrey. I'm not a loud guy. I'm such a good guy. Oh, I win. Oh, I win again. Let's go. Ah, let's go. Huh? Yes! Dude, I'm the best at soccer. I'm the best at soccer. Move, Audrey. Let me win.
I'm a goalie. I don't have no idea which team I'm at.
Go. Skylar, don't be a goalie, Skylar. Because if you be a goalie, you'll technically score goals. Don't be a goalie. Damn, dude. I was there, and... Come on, let's see. Oh, spam click. Move it. I know a hack to make it real. Dude, I'm the one who's making the most fastest. Yo, that's me. I did it. Yay. No, I was actually doing a hack to actually.
Oh, dude, go get logs.
Well, that's easy. Wait, Audrey, if you find a log for me, can you give Skylar? If you find a log for me, can you give it?
Oh, there's one over here.
Oh, you can only get one at a time. Sad. Sorry, you go first.
How do I go?
One log, Skylar. One log equals 1 coin. I think we're technically the only ones in the server. Kind of like, I mean, there's people, but they're always not. Did you just fall off?
Yeah.
Save a log for me.
Oh, there's still 2 logs.
No, there's 3. Oh, there's 4.
Oh no!
Dude, man.
And then we die.
Yay!
I like that one. That one's the easiest.
Yeah. Like and subscribe for more.
Oh, wait.
Oh
There's a
shoot!
board.
Guys! Come on! This way!
After this round, guys.
Why you do that? Nah, I'm gonna win.
You're the only one there.
Yeah, I'm most ahead. Yeah, I win. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe and see you later.